Hello. Hope you are doing well. Today, I am going to show you how to change theme on Visual Studio Code. After completing this video, you will be find your VS Code, something like this. Trust me, it's very easy to do. So, let's get started. First, open up your Visual Studio Code. This is the default theme installed by the Visual Studio Code. Then go to this icon from left side. Or press Ctrl+X to open Extension Manager on VS Code. Now search for Material Icon Theme and hit press Install. Great, you have successfully installed Material Icon Theme on your VS Code. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Also, do not forget to share this video.